Good morning, Kruger Falcons. This is Joel, and you are tuning to KMSN Kruger Middle School News. Today is Wednesday, September 7th.
Good morning, Kruger Middle School. Welcome back. Today's teacher birthdays today is Mr. Bill Dimler. Happy birthday to Mr. Bill Dimler. Student birthdays today goes out to Janae L. Janae L., happy birthday. Also to Joaquin G. And also to Joe Nathan B. Way to go, Joe Nathan. Happy birthday to all of you guys. I want you guys to be introduced to our officer, is Officer Torres. He's assigned to our campus. He is here to assist students and parents in anything that they may need. Feel free to stop by and say hi to him as you see him in the hallways. Today for lunch, and I'm going to turn it over to our guest right here. There you go.
Today for lunch we are having beef and bean chalupas or nachos on the grill line. We have grilled chicken and cheese sandwich for corn dog. For breakfast tomorrow we have chicken and biscuit. And now here's Maggie with the special message from City Year.
Come on over, Maggie. I think we got room. Just squeeze yourself in here.
Hi guys, I'm Maggie from City Year again. I just wanted to remind you all that we're still accepting permission slips for After School Heroes, our after school program. If you need one, you can come to room 102 or see a core member. And just a reminder that today After School Heroes ends at 4:30, and Friday again it will end at 4:30, but tomorrow it ends at 5:30. So tell your parents. All right, that's it, and here's Mr. Smith.
All right, I got several announcements right now. Reminder that next Tuesday, the 13th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, we are having our open house, PTA/open house, so parents are welcome to come up, and they're going to walk through your schedule for the evening. We're going to have schedules available for them, and they can go ahead and go to each of your classes. We're going to have bells ringing just like that and see if they can make it for the 3-minute transition periods and see walk in your shoes for the evening and see how it feels. And also in addition to that, today was the last day for our PTA fundraiser. We will accept them first thing in the morning tomorrow. So if you have any of them that has not been turned in today to your teacher, you can turn it into the main office to Miss Fran, our secretary. And tomorrow morning, a.m. will be the last and final time to turn them in. And in addition to that, teachers and students, please be reminded that the building is closed in the mornings until that bell rings at 8:13, 8:14. So any student that needs to come into the building for anything, teachers, please, you must give them a pass the day before to get in. Just sign on the back of the yellow agenda or something of that sort, or give them a slip so that they can come in and see you. And everyone that's manning the building, do not allow students into the building until after that time period. And I believe that's it. Thank you very much for being our guest today. Thank you, Officer Torres, for being here with us today. You guys have a wonderful Wednesday.